If your drive's dropped and your motivation's flat, you might think it's stress or age. But what if it's chemistry fighting against you, one that's quietly stealing from your libido? And you could start fixing it this week. Well, that's what we're going to break down in this video, because every week I get messages from men saying the same thing. Dom, I'm training hard, eating right, but I still feel flat. Here's the truth. This isn't about getting older. This is chemistry, a hormone imbalance that's draining your energy, confidence, and performance. And the worst part, most men never find out why until it's already costing them their relationships, their focus, and their drive. But the good news is, you can fix it. Here's what we're breaking down today. What low testosterone really is and how to spot it. Why libido isn't only about testosterone. How stress, lifestyle, and brain chemistry wreck hormones. The 5 root causes most men miss, and how to rebuild your drive naturally. These last 2 are the easiest to sort, but most gurus overlook them or get them flat out wrong. So stay with me, because we're going to tackle these today. By the end, you'll understand exactly what's happening inside your body and how to get your energy, focus, and performance back in the gym, at work, and in the bedroom. Testosterone isn't the only hormone that fuels desire, but when T drops, you're far more likely to face problems no man wants. Lack of sex drive, trouble getting or keeping an erection, and it isn't just physical. When your T levels drop, it hits everything. Confidence, intimacy, edge, and even the connection with your partner. This isn't about one hormone, it's your entire system talking back. Testosterone does decline naturally with age, about 1 to 2% per year, but the drop speeds up when life gets messy. Stress, bad sleep, junk food, too much booze, or belly fat, it all adds up. According to WebMD, those lifestyle factors hit harder than age alone. So if you're in your mid-30s or 40s and feeling off, odds are it's not time catching up, it's a lifestyle problem. Clinically, low testosterone is called male hypogonadism. That's just a fancy way of saying your testicles aren't producing enough testosterone, the hormone that drives your energy, muscle, and mood. The American Urological Association says that if your total testosterone drops below 300 nanograms per deciliter on 2 separate mornings, it's officially considered low. That number basically means your body isn't producing enough testosterone to keep your systems firing. And when that happens, you're not just tired, you've lost your body's chemical drive for life and libido. That's why confidence dips first, motivation second, and performance third. So no, you're not lazy. Your chemistry's just lagging. And like any system, it can be reset. Take a man in his 40s, always tired, no drive, intimacy fading. His labs twice show under 300 nanograms per deciliter. He's overweight with untreated sleep apnea. By managing the apnea, improving his diet and sleep, and working with a professional, his energy returned. His libido came back and his relationship improved off the back. That's the difference proper diagnosis and treatment can make. Most guys blame training or diet, but the real trap is chronic stress. When life's non-stop, your body pumps out cortisol, your stress hormone. Cortisol pulls from the same raw materials your body uses to make testosterone. So the more stressed you are, the less testosterone your body can produce. Add late nights, constant caffeine, fast food, and all the hidden plastic exposure, and you've basically built yourself a hormonal chokehold. Even if you train hard and eat clean, high cortisol keeps you locked in survival mode, not growth. And when your body's surviving, libido, recovery, and motivation are the first things that shut down. If you get this right, you don't just boost testosterone, you reset how your body performs and recovers every single day. The upside, once you take the pressure off, your body rebounds fast. I've watched guys in their 30s and 40s double their energy and focus in a couple of months just by fixing the basics. All right, let's talk about the 5 causes and what you can do to rebuild naturally. WebMD and recent endocrine research show 5 main systems behind low testosterone and drive. Number 1 is nutrient deficiencies. Poor diet is one of the biggest stealth causes. Low zinc, magnesium, or vitamin D means your body can't produce or activate testosterone properly. Overly processed diets leave you chemically underfueled, robbing your hormones of the raw materials they need. Number 2, excess body fat and metabolic slump. High visceral fat, that's the fat that surrounds your organs, acts like a hormone thief. It converts testosterone into estrogen while increasing reducing systemic inflammation. That's why carrying extra weight can make you feel sluggish and unmotivated. Number 3, toxin and alcohol exposure. Regular drinking or exposure to endocrine disrupting chemicals like BPA in plastics interferes with normal hormone production. 5 consecutive days of heavy alcohol drinking can drop testosterone measurably, and long-term exposure can suppress it for months. Number 4, chronic stress and cortisol. When you're in a constant state of fight or flight, your body prioritizes survival over reproduction. Cortisol competes with testosterone for the same precursors, so prolonged stress tanks both libido and motivation. Number 5, sleep and recovery deficit. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. If you're regularly sleeping fewer than 6 hours per night, testosterone production can drop by up to 15%, leaving you tired and flat. If we fix these, testosterone and drive follow naturally. So where does that leave us? Get tested properly. 2 morning blood tests are the standard. Address risk factors. Things like obesity, sleep apnea, diabetes all connect with low T. Review your medications. If side effects impact sex drive, talk with your provider. Work on lifestyle, sleep, exercise balance, stress reduction, and nutrition. If absolutely necessary, ask about testosterone replacement therapy. This can restore libido in men with low T, but the long-term benefits and risks are still being studied. Bottom line, don't guess. Work with a doctor to confirm the cause. Here's the thing, low testosterone is closely linked to low sex drive, but it isn't the only factor. Hormones, health conditions, medications, stress, and sleep all play a part. If you've noticed your drive fading, don't ignore it. Get tested. Look at your lifestyle and talk with a professional who can help. Because paying attention now can restore not only your energy and vitality, but also the connection and quality of life that matter the most. If this gave you clarity, subscribe for more on men's health, fitness, and hormone optimization. You don't have to live feeling flat. Reset, recharge, and lead with real drive again. Do the work now and your future self will thank you. And if you're ready to see what's really going on under the hood, everything from your blood health and hormones to your energy levels, if you visit the link in the description, you can find out about our blood optimization system. It's a comprehensive blood analysis system built for men, covering over 55 biomarkers with a one-on-one expert consultation to help you cut guesswork and rebuild from the inside out. If you're not ready yet, no problem. Take what you've learned today and start fixing the foundations on your own. Either way, thank you for watching and for taking your health seriously. See you in the next video and keep leading from the front.